Hi friends, this is session 8. In this session we will see line, axis, and point tools. These tools are available in Profile toolbar. First tool is line. Select line tool from Profile toolbar. Then locate first point and enter length value. Next option is Symmetrical Extension. Locate the start point and enter length value. Draw remaining lines to complete the sketch. Next tool is Infinite Line. Select the Infinite Line tool from Profile toolbar. Then select Horizontal option. Now locate the line. Next option is Vertical. And next option is Line through 2 points. First locate point, then specify angle. Next tool is Bitangent Line. Select the tool and click the 2 circle. Next tool is Bisecting Line. Select the tool and click the 2 lines. Next tool is Line Normal to Curve. Select the tool and click the line extremity point. Then select the curve. Draw remaining lines. Next option is Select a curve before. Select curve first, then specify value. Next option is Symmetrical Extension. Select midpoint, then specify value. Draw remaining lines. Next tool is Axis. Draw axis with length and angle. Another method to create axis, first draw object line. Then select line and select Axis tool. The selected line will be transformed into an axis. Next tool is point by clicking. Select the tool, and click to create the point. Then specify constraints. Next tool is point by using coordinates. Select the tool, and locate reference point. Then specify coordinate points. Locate remaining points. Next tool is equidistant points. Select the tool, and select curve, then specify number of new points. Select circle. Select spline. Next tool is intersection point. Select tool, and select two curves. Intersection point shown here. Next tool is projection point. Select tool, and select the option orthogonal projection. Select the point, and select the curve. Projected points shown here. To create multiple points, first select all the points. Then select tool. Then select curve. Next option is a longer direction. First select point, then specify angle value. Then click the curve. Final tool is align points. First select all points, then select align tool, and select along direction option, then locate direction. Next option is align points horizontally. Next option is vertical alignment. Next option is change origin point. Next option is align along selected linear element.
Next session will continue. Thank you.